gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this most gorgeous day? Very well, I hope. I am doing fantastic. I'm on my way to meet the ZDF German TV network people. Actually, I'm gonna go to the right. Let me go this way. Yeah, I'm on my way to meet with the German TV network, and we're gonna be shooting a documentary today, or part of the documentary. And I don't know if I'm gonna release this footage ahead of time or when the documentary releases. Who knows? We'll figure it out. But it's what do we got? Mid-October. It's actually a chilly day. It's actually right now it's like 46 degrees or something, which is not the most pleasant, but I'm layered up. I got thermals and a sweater under my jacket, thunders under my pants. I also got an extra layer in my backpack, which I probably don't need, and I'm actually bringing an extra helmet. For the correspondent. A nice little quick cruise. Can't imagine there's too much traffic, so we're probably gonna get there entirely too early, which is okay. I'm just checking to make sure my because I don't normally transport a helmet strapped with the, like, one of those, you know, cheesy little nets, so just want to make sure it doesn't fly off. And I gotta pass these folks here because I'm not particularly sure what's happening. Gorgeous. And yeah, I'm excited for this opportunity. These guys, they hit me up on Instagram and said they're shooting a documentary about New York City, about the people of it and whatnot, and about the speed of it. Man, I'm imagining my helmet bouncing down the road, but seems to be okay so far. But yeah, and they saw some of my clips on the old YouTubes, and I'm guessing they're into that. So we'll see how it all works out. I have no idea what to expect. I know that I'm going to be driving the correspondent around a little bit on the back, and then we're going to go to a couple of get a bunch of rolling shots going over the bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, I'm guessing, this and that. No problems at all. Oh, what a perfect time to ride a motorcycle. No traffic, no gridlock. Just joy. I had like 2 cups of coffee and some breakfast pastry thingy. So I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. I love how this big ass truck and this FedEx truck are like next to each other. Amateur situation. We'll go to the right. Bro, this truck is moving. 11 Celsius, 8:20. I knew I was gonna show up early. I'm too much of a punctual motherfucker. Even I was leaving so late. The GPS was telling me I was gonna be like 6 minutes late. And guess what? Your boy shows up on time. Is it chilly? Yeah, it's definitely a little bit chilly. I am indeed happy that I'm indeed happy that I'm geared up to the nines. Let's see what happens. I had to pass that guy. That truck was going entirely too slow for my taste. All right. Here we are. And the funniest shit is that, completely unrelated, for no reason at all, these guys were like, let's meet in Dumbo. What are you doing, bro? They were like, let's meet in Dumbo. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. And he was like, can you recommend a cool place? And I was like, oh, let me think. And I was literally thinking for like, 2 minutes. While I was thinking, he texted me again and said, how about corner of John and Jay, which literally happens to be right next to my job. The universe is very small. All right. Let's see. Am I early or am I late? I'm probably early. It's quite possible. J. 20J. Is that my dude? It's possible. Nice. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Perfect timing.
Hey.
Hello.
Timing.
All right, so I'll just park somewhere.
Yeah, just park somewhere.
Perfect. I'll park in front of you.
Okay.
You're gonna stop here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice. Here we are. Once again in Dumbo. Can't escape it. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.
Now it's recording.
Yes, you are going to be on the vlog. This is going to be behind the scenes. After you guys release the documentary, I'm going to do the behind the scenes where I'm just talking smack the whole time.